पता नहीं ये कुक बुक्स भी ना सीधी सादी रेसिपीज को इतना कॉम्प्लिकेटेड क्यों बना देती हैं? A lot of simple things are made complicated just like that. Like investing. Hi, I'm Hansi. I've worked in finance for 20 years and quit before 40. And I can tell you, investing is actually very simple. Like you can divide your money up in line with your short, medium and long-term goals. Andaz se, just like in cooking. Being disciplined and staying invested for the long term. Not easy, but actually quite simple. By the way, Warren Buffett, the world's richest investor, says the same thing. So next time somebody makes things complicated for you, just ask them this. इसका simple recipe क्या है? Be money confident.
म्यूचुअल फंड्स निवेश बाजार जोखिमों के अधीन है। योजना से संबंधित सभी दस्तावेजों को ध्यान से पढ़ें।
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.